Frustrated in losing weight? There are numerous effects that help weight loss besides a fad diet and exercising once in a while. It needs suitable arrangement and a lot of determination. Here are rare easy steps to benefit you losing weight. 1. Start your day replacing your regular tea, coffee with green tea. Replacing your regular tea, coffee with green tea is a great way of losing weight. It has a big range of antioxidants that help the body break down foods and help in losing weight. The catechins in green tea are very good for burning fat because they free fat from fat cells. They also fight free radicals and stop diseases. Switch your regular cup of tea or coffee with a cup of organic green tea. You can drink 3 to 4 cups of green tea a day. 2. Lemon water. Lemon water is a brilliant drink for weight loss. Lemon juice helps your body get the nutrients it needs to burn fat into energy and stop weight gain. Make sure to keep drinking lemon juice even after you lose weight, to keep your new weight. 3. Take apple cider vinegar. Because apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, it's good for losing weight. Acetic acid stops body fat from building up. Apple cider vinegar also helps your body take in nutrients from the food you eat, treats digestive issues, and fights infections. 4. Ginger. Ginger promotes a feeling of satiety and reduces hunger pangs. It also enhances thermogenesis, which assists in burning the extra fat and helps you lose weight naturally. Drink this thrice daily, preferably before every meal. 5. Garlic. Garlic is another herb that can help you lose weight naturally. This is due to its natural anti-obesity properties and its ability to boost your body's thermogenesis. You must do this thrice daily. 6. Exercise. If you really want to lose weight in a healthy way, there's no way to escape from regular exercise and activity. Doing a mix of mild and hard physical activity will help you lose weight and control your weight. Also, exercise helps lessen stress and raise your energy, mood, and sleep quality. It lowers the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and some cancers. It's best to set a certain time slot in your day for your exercise routine, so that you do not skip it because of the excuse that you don't have enough time. 7. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy and low-calorie diet is a very important part of a good weight loss plan. Make sure to include fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet, instead of filling up on junk foods. Stay away from fried and fatty foods. Also, don't take in too much sugar and salt. Look for healthier forms of your favorite foods. For example, eat homemade air-popped popcorn instead of high-calorie, oil-popped popcorn. Don't eat things made with white flour like white bread, cookies, muffins, pizzas, hot dogs, burgers, pasta, and other foods like that. Choose whole grain and healthier forms of these foods. Their labels should say 100% whole grain, not just made with whole grains or multigrain. Eat more fiber and proteins, but less carbohydrates. Proteins will help you feel full for longer and lessen cravings. Set aside 1 day a week for a cheat meal. Remember, it's important not to eat too much. To get the most out of your cheat meal, eat it slowly and try to avoid disturbances while eating. Choose fresh fruit juice, instead of packaged fruit juices, which are full of sugar and preservatives. Use virgin coconut oil in your diet. It is easy to digest, good for your health, and also helps your body break down materials faster. Eat smaller meals, more often. 8. Coconut oil. The presence of medium-chain fatty acids in coconut oil makes it an effective weight loss remedy. The oil exhibits powerful effects on your metabolism, which is one of the main ways by which it helps you lose weight naturally. You must consume coconut oil 2 to 3 times daily. 9. Using a smaller plate. Using smaller plates could have a positive psychological effect. People tend to fill their plate, so reducing the size of the plate may help reduce the amount of food that a person eats in one sitting. A 2015 systematic review concluded that reducing plate size could have an impact on portion control and energy consumption, but it was unclear whether this was applicable across the full range of portion sizes. It is also worth noting that many of the studies included in the review were authored by an academic, Brian Wanzink, who has since had a lot of research withdrawn from journals due to errors and misreporting. 10. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice can help reduce body weight with its powerful metabolic activities. It also aids digestion and reduces inflammatory responses within your body, which facilitate weight loss. Drink this juice 2 to 3 times daily. 12. Black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which gives it its pungent flavor. Piperine possesses fat-reducing and lipid-lowering activities that can help you in losing weight. Do this daily. 12. Brushing teeth between meals or earlier in the evening. In addition to improving dental hygiene, brushing the teeth can help reduce the temptation to snack between meals. If a person who frequently snacks at night brushes their teeth earlier in the evening, they may feel less tempted to eat unnecessary snacks. 13. Drink plenty of water. Drink a lot of water throughout the day to help your body wash out toxins. It is suggested to drink 8 to 10 glasses of fluids a day. Besides helping to clean out toxins, it makes the body burn fat faster. Also, eat more fruits and vegetables that are full of water. 14. Get proper sleep. Getting proper sleep and relaxation is also very important for weight loss. In fact, not getting enough quality sleep affects your hunger and fullness hormones, negatively changes the way your body breaks down materials, and changes the way your genetics impact your body mass index (BMI). A lack of sleep makes you snack more late at night, makes you crave comfort foods, and leaves you too tired for regular physical exercise. Lack of sleep can also stop weight loss efforts from working. Make sure to get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. If you want more tips on how to lose weight fast, click on the link description below.